Understanding the value of your time and services is essential for running your shop. Just like food has an expiration date, your time in the shop is limited, and it's essential to maximize the value of that time. Let's discuss how this concept can help shape your shop's business model to maximize the time you spend in the shop every day. As a shop owner, it's crucial to evaluate your current labor pricing to ensure competitiveness and profitability. Having the right labor rate allows you to weed out potential customers who are only looking for the lowest price, which often means they won't be getting as high of a quality of service as they would if they just went to your shop. It's not just about the customer though. Having the right labor rate will ensure that you can pay your technicians at the top of your market, in turn attracting the best talent. When setting your rates, focus on a fair value, which should be a balance between being too cheap and too expensive. Remember, your hourly rate is just the base for calculating the overall job price. Don't undervalue the experience and expertise of your technicians. Just because a repair may only take 10 minutes, it may represent 30 years of education, training, and experience from the technician doing the service. If you don't value that experience, your technicians, service advisors, and customers won't see the value either. One way to represent the value of your services is by setting the tone for your team. When you show the value, this attitude is conveyed to customers, and when they know they are being taken care of, they're happy. Happy shop owners lead to happy employees, which results in satisfied customers who are more likely to purchase additional services or recommend you to their friends and family. When it comes to lower priced competition in your area, don't let them define your strategy. Lower priced competitors can do a great job of dragging you down, which can be detrimental to your business. While it's good to be aware of your competition's pricing, don't let it be the reason you undervalue your services. When you set your service costs based on a value you feel is fair to maximize your profitability, you may see previously frequent customers come to your shop less. You never want to lose customers, but don't look at it like that. Look at this as an opportunity to replace them with ones willing to listen to your recommendations and pay for your quality service. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.